Hello everyone, welcome to Good at Hair channel. This is Ethan. Today, let's talk about our new innovation, Anti Microbial Men hair system. After we launched this anti-micro products, there are so many customers interested, but they would like to know how to tell if they get the right one with a new function or just a normal one. As it is a treatment on the base, so it's not visible to see the real difference by eyes, so we use a Zeomic label on the base to differentiate them. Our anti-micro products have been through a specific production process and treatment to get this label on. So with the label, the product will be under protection of anti-micro technology. So here is the video to prove the convincing antimicrobial performance. If you still have any doubts about our antimicrobial products, you can take it to the testing facilities to do the inspection. Okay, thank you for watching and enjoy your new look with healthier scalp. Don't forget to subscribe and give us your likes. Leave us your comments if you have any questions or would like to try it out. Bye.